Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make another account on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Having a second account can be helpful if you don't want others to know when you're playing Roblox, or if you want a separate profile for different purposes. You can do this either on the Roblox app or directly on the website. On the Roblox app, start by pressing More on the left side. From there, scroll down and tap Log Out, then confirm by logging out again. Once you're logged out, press Create Account and go through the setup process by entering the required details. If you're using the Roblox website instead, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Switch Accounts. Then go ahead, click on Add Account. After that, choose Create a New Account. Enter your birthday, pick a unique username, create a password, select your gender if you want, and then press Sign Up. Once completed, your new Roblox account will be successfully created. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make another account on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.